Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? I hope you all are happy and Allah may happy all of you. Okay, brother. Today I'm gonna show you that how to make the intro number 56 of the Sony Vegas Pro version. Okay, all version. So this is the project. This is extract here. Extract. Click on right and click on extract here. But I'm already extracted it. So click on it and click on project. So see, brother, this is the project and this is the preview. See, okay, this is the channel name. Click for channel name. This is this. Click on right in third option. Click on right and click on edit generated media. So remove it and write your channel name. My channel name is the B for you by Hoshal. Okay, it UHD Ultra HD 180. Click on it and render. User system play UHD. Open this. No. Change the name. Okay. Click on render.